can you touch on the feet ostinato stuff that you did with us?
Yeah, of course. It's about how to approach phrasing over ostinatos, especially feet ostinato. You know, when you play a solo or even some music styles like samba, bossa nova, salsa, it's really useful to know how to lock, you know, the ostinato on the feet and to be able to play whatever you want with the hands. So it's really about that, and step by step, from a very easy patterns, easy things, to more complicated things and even polyrhythmic things over the ostinatos. The ostinato I chose for the example on the solo is the Bigeault ostinato. So it's and then, yeah, do I play a little example solo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I know you touched on the single accents, double, and then the odd, right?
Yeah. It was everything in 4/4 first, like groups of 4.
Right.
And then, single strokes, double strokes, exploring, you know, the 16th notes, the accents inside everything.
Yeah.
And then expanding the length of the patterns and going into 5, 7, still over the ostinato, which still stays in 4/4.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe try some of the, like, the single accents.
Yeah.
Then some double, and then some harder stuff.
Yeah, okay, let's do that.
Yeah. So cool. So cool.
So that's what you can do after learning my course.
Yeah. Love it.